Hey, it's Todd from Clever Supply. Just wanted to talk you through the new camera sling, talk a bit about the features and how I'm gonna load it out. So first, we got 2 grab handles on the sides. Also, we have a grab handle on the back. This is also great for a pass-through. And it also includes a rear accessory sleeve. We also have an accessory pouch in the front. This accessory pouch is a new feature that we're really excited about. We think is gonna add a lot more organization and storage for you. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a few things to the accessory pouch. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and add some film, battery, maybe my wallet, a lens filter, close it up. I'll just mention that every zipper on the exterior is weather sealed. So we got weather sealing on this one for the main compartment. Now let's dive into the main compartment. I'm gonna go ahead and load out a few things and just give you an idea of what you might wanna do with your kit. Right away, when you open the bag, you're greeted by 2 dividers. These dividers are easily removable with Velcro. We have 2 sidewall pouches, and we also have an interior pouch for accessories. A new feature that we're excited about is the Airtag hidden pocket. I'm gonna take an Airtag here, so I'm gonna add that there. This is a great way to just keep your gear tracked and safe at all times. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and just load out a few of our different camera kit options. I've got a bigger camera here, it's the XH2 with a zoom lens. I'm gonna put that right in the center. Maybe for this shoot, I also wanna carry a flash. So got my flash here, I'm gonna drop that in. And then maybe I need one more zoom lens and it's a good fit. Just in case, maybe I'm gonna go ahead and also bring a microphone. So I'll put that right on top. And what I love about this new accessory pouch is even when the bag is full, still got perfect access, no problem accessing the contents in here as well as packing it out as you see fit. Next, maybe for this other shoot, I wanna just have multiple cameras with me. I'm gonna start with the M10, put that right in the center. We've got the Q2 here. I'm gonna put that right on the side. And then next, I'm gonna take the X100, put that on this side. And right there, we got a 3-camera setup. Another highly requested feature, adding cinch straps to the bottom. So we're excited to add that. This is great for adding an accessory or something else that you might need to carry. With the versatility of the cinch straps, it just adds a little bit more to your run and gun kit. This is just a few examples of how I might load out my kit. I can't wait to see how you load out yours.